In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a simple yet essential skill that can really enhance your documents, whether you're preparing a presentation or wanting to include a visual for better comprehension. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. Firstly, open up the PDF file you wish to edit in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is the starting point for any modifications you want to make to your document. If your PDF isn't open yet, navigate to the File option on the top menu, click on it and then select Open to locate and open your file. Once your PDF is open, direct your attention to the top toolbar where you'll find the Edit option. Click on this. It's your gateway to making changes, and it essentially tells the software that you're ready to make some alterations, like adding an image to the document. After clicking Edit, look for the Add Content section. Here you'll find an icon that represents an image. It usually looks like a little picture or landscape, something familiar that symbolizes images. Click on this image icon to start the process of adding your visual content. With that done, a dialog box will pop up, allowing you to choose an image from your device. You can navigate through your computer's folders until you find the image you want to use. Once you locate the right image, select it and click Open or Insert depending on your system's wording. This action will import the image into your PDF document. Now you'll need to decide where exactly you want your image to appear on the PDF page. Click on the area where you want to insert the image. It's as simple as that. Putting thought into the placement is essential to ensure your document looks polished and professional, with visual elements right where they need to be. After placing the image, you might find that you need to adjust its size. To do this, click and drag the corners of the image. This lets you resize it to fit perfectly into your PDF layout. Remember, keeping the aspect ratio in mind helps prevent your image from appearing stretched or squashed. And there you have it, you've successfully added an image to your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This process not only makes your documents more engaging, but also gives you the flexibility to add the necessary visuals to communicate your message effectively. Make sure to save your edited file so that all your changes are preserved. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.